Hey fellow chefs, welcome back today to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make creamy Sicilian pasta. So let's get on with the video. To start off, you're going to need 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 2 chopped zucchinis, 12 ounces of penne pasta, 8 tablespoons of creme fraiche, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 ounce of chives, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 lemon, and 8 ounces of halved cherry tomatoes. Then, in a large pot, add in the penne. Then, cover it with salted water and boil for 9 to 11 minutes until fully cooked. Meanwhile, in a large pan over medium-high heat, add in a drizzle of olive oil. Then into the pan, add in the zucchini and cook for 2 minutes. Then add in the mushrooms and cook for another 5 minutes until golden brown. After they're done cooking, scoop them out into a plate. Then in the same pan, add in a tablespoon of butter and a drizzle of olive oil. After that, add in the cherry tomatoes. After about half a minute, add in the Italian seasoning and mix well. After 2 minutes, add in 2 packets of stock concentrate, half the chives, and then the creme fraiche. Then add in a squeeze of lemon and mix well. Then turn the heat to low and add in the zucchinis and mushrooms. Then give that a good mix. Then add in the Parmesan and the rest of the chives. Then mix that in. Then add in the cooked pasta. And then mix that in. After that, scoop it up onto a plate and it's ready to eat. Enjoy!